I read something yesterday that made me put my phone down. Not because it was shocking, because it explained something about my own recovery I never had words for. Every hour of therapy I did, turns out there might be a real reason it worked. Here's what I read. Researchers at UCLA found something about how your brain actually recovers after a stroke. Your brain has two halves. After a stroke, they stop talking to each other the way they used to. Physical therapy, the boring, repetitive stuff, helps rebuild that connection. That's not new. What's new is they found a way to actually see it happening. I spent months doing PT without anyone explaining that. I just did it because I was told to. So they built a drug that mimics what therapy already does to the brain. In mice, it worked. Movement came back. I want to be straight with you. This is still in mice, no human trial. This isn't a pill that replaces physical therapy, maybe not ever. If you've ever done the hard, repetitive work of recovery and wondered if it was actually doing anything, subscribe. This is where I talk about what recovery actually is, underneath what it feels like. I'm not sitting around waiting on a drug. I already did the work it's trying to copy. But for the first time, someone explained why the boring part worked. Nobody told me that during my own recovery. I still don't have a straight answer for why nobody explains this to patients while they're going through it. Subscribe for more of this, and tell me, did anyone ever explain why your therapy worked? Or did you just do it and hope? I asked for proof that the hard part was worth it. Now I finally have it.